sky fades to velvet night. The firework tent glows with light, a tale of sparks that take their flight. In the heart of the tent, oh what a sight. A couple strolls in hands entwined, seeking fireworks, a love signed in colors across the skyline, a symbol of their hearts combined. Choose one, I say, to mark your love, a burst of stars from above, to shine as bright as your love does prove, a spectacle that hearts combined. They pick a pair like them it seems, twin rockets that share the same dreams. Up they go in radiant beams, a dance of light in aerial streams. The night wears on, the crowd's cheer fades, but in the tent the memory stays, of love and light in so many ways. Each firework a story it portrays. Here's a tale from dusk till dawn of the firework tent, where magic's born, where every spark is a love sworn, and in the sky the dream is drawn.